Finally, the Acer Predator lineup has a gaming handheld, and this is the Acer Predator Atlas 8, which I'm checking out at Acer's booth in Computex 2026. Now, on first impressions, it might look like some regular gaming handheld that you check out from other brands, but I can tell you this is a gaming handheld to look for once it gets released in the market, because it is a super powerful one. It has a really nice 8-inch Full HD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it actually feels good when you hold it on hand. So let's get a closer look on the Acer Predator Atlas 8. As you can see, the Predator Atlas 8 is a pretty simple looking gaming handheld with no fancy design on the front here. You get two joysticks here, which is a standard Xbox layout with RGB lighting around here. And the ABXY keys are in these colors, which I think is really nice. So you get a total of 4 menu buttons here, which one of it goes into Acer Predator Sense. So this is how Acer Predator Sense looks like on the Atlas 8, which is obviously optimized for the small screen. So right here you can do a lot of settings, including like checking out the performance, what kind of performance settings that you would like to do, and you can even change the lighting effect of the joysticks on this setting right here, which I think is really convenient. Now let's check out some of the features of the Atlas 8. These USB-C ports are on top, and they both support Thunderbolt, and you get a micro SD card slot for storage expansion, volume rockers right here, and the power button that has a fingerprint reader that's built in. So the triggers, they have Hall effect, which is really nice to press on. And over to the back here, you get just a simple Predator logo on the back, and you got these 2 extra buttons right here, okay? So I'm not sure what this does, but obviously it's a switch right here that you can do some other stuff here. Now, let's check out the real world gaming performance, because this is what we are excited about on the Intel Arc G3. So I'm actually unplugged right now, so let's just run the game. Okay, we are running Forza Horizon 6. See, it's pretty smooth. I guess that's around like 40 plus 50 FPS. Pretty impressive for the Intel Arc G3 when it is unplugged. I'm actually quite impressed for this kind of performance. And let's check out what the graphics setting is, shall we? Native Full HD Plus resolution, and we have it on high graphics setting, which is actually pretty crazy. Look at it, it's totally unplugged, and you're getting like super crazy smooth performance on this gaming handheld, which is totally not possible with gaming handhelds 2 years ago, or even last year's gaming handhelds. You can never get this kind of performance on AAA game titles like this. So after having a brief session with the Acer Predator Atlas 8, I can conclude that the Intel Arc G3 processor is a real game changer on gaming handhelds, and I think Acer has picked the right time to release its very first flagship gaming handheld, if I should call that, because it is literally on the Acer Predator lineup, and I'm really excited on what this gaming handheld could potentially do once it releases in the market, and I'm ready to buy one whenever it's out. So that's all for the Acer Predator Atlas 8 at Acer's Computex 2026 booth. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.